Okay, everybody, we have a underground pipe here, and it developed a leak. So first thing I did is I took my Sawzall and I cut it right where the leak is here. Okay, and then I took my grinder and went along here and ground off all the major stuff. And what we're going to fix it with is right here. It's called a compression sealer. So you slip it on one end, slip it down the other, and then you tighten down both sides, and we'll see if that stops the leak. Okay, here we go. So there you go. So put it on one end over there like that, put it on the other, and then pull this up. We're gonna take that and slip it right like that, and then we want to cut the distance in between the two of them like that, and then we're gonna clean these off again a little bit and push it in, take it like that. All right, and got it. There it goes. That's one side. Okay. Okay. It's probably about in the middle, don't you think?
Yeah.
Where it was. So you tighten both of these down. Hand tight first, as good as you can, hand tight. All right, everybody. Okay, and then we're gonna get monkey wrench. All right, and I got a big pair of things here. All right, so we're gonna tighten it all down real good here. Okay, so there you go. You got one here. I'm gonna just take that down, and now, believe it or not, this is a rubber fitting, so the object is to tighten it down good, but not to make it so that you're insanely tight, okay? Because it's a rubber in there, so it's doing it is by compression. You got to turn it over. Turn the pipe wrench over there. There you go. There you go. Got it tight?
Yep.
Okay, not too many. Another couple torques in here. Oh yeah, it's starting to feel good. Turn it around one more time. I'm gonna give it another. Holy smokes! Come on, boys and girls. Oh yeah, that's good. That's it. Just feels like it should be feeling good, tight. So there you go. I'm going to turn on the water and see if it leaks. Okay, just turn the water back on and you can see it is not leaking. And so one thing you need to worry about these things is like this is buried under the ground. If you have two pipes that could pull loose from each other, I've wired these down together before. To keep it from, because they'll pop open. Like one pipe will pop that way and out. So there you go, guys. That's considered a permanent fix too. All right.